So today we are going to study about the Rural Reconstruction Program. So in the previous class we already learned about what is rural development programs and all. And this Rural Reconstruction Program, which was launched before the Rural Development Program, in order to improve the quality of rurality, okay, of the people those are living in the rural area. So let's see in detail what are the activities the government made for the rural reconstruction. Okay. So, what is rural reconstruction? So, rural reconstruction, which is one of the important and vital aspect of the national reconstruction. So, in the post-independence India, the Planning Commission was taking initiative in order for the implementing the multi-purpose development programs in the rural area. So, rural reconstruction, which implies the renovation of the villages in the rural area, through which what they will do, they will help to develop certain activities, programs which will be promoting the well-being of the people, those who are living in the rural area. So, this is mainly oriented upon the social, economic, and the political development of the rural area as a whole. And let's see the objectives. Eradication of poverty by means of generating cottage industries and establishment of cooperative societies and improving the transportation. So, by regenerating the cottage industries, many of the people in the rural area will get work and through which they will get adequate amount of salary, and this will help to eradicate the poverty. And spread of education, because most of the children among the rural area, they lack the adequate education. So in order to give quality education to everyone, the rural reconstruction program has been launched. Then in order to improve the health of the people in the rural area and also to abolish the social malpractices like casteism, untouchability, racism, etc., which is existing in the rural area. So these are some of the major objectives of the rural reconstruction. Okay. And let's see what are the activities made so far until the community development programs has been launched. So the first rural reconstruction program was initiated by Spencer Hatch at Marthandam in 1921. So as a part of the program, the Marthandam Rural Reconstruction Center was opened, and which was a five-sided program which was mainly giving importance to the spirit, mind, body, economy, and the social side. So, in order to meet the physical, mental, and spiritual need of the people, the Marthandam Rural Reconstruction were initiated certain health centers, libraries, and sports club in the rural area. Okay, and apart from that, they also developed the Boy Scout and Girl Guide system in the schools, and special emphasis was placed upon folk dances and folk singing. So in order to improve the quality and those activities, they also plan to have certain folk dances and folk singing programs in the community area. Next one was the Gorgon scheme, so which was undertaken in 1920, and the main principle of this program that villager himself made responsible for making the village area very good one. So the villagers are responsible and they have to take greater interest in himself and in his village before any results can be achieved. For this purpose, the government agencies will also provide certain kind of assist, then help and guidance in order to bring the changes. Okay. And next is Firka Development Scheme, and this was launched by the Madras government in 1946. So this was based upon the rule of the village Swaraj system. Okay, so they were mainly focusing to bring about the educational, economical, and sanitary development activities in the villages. And they also thought they will make the individuals in the village self-confident and self-reliant. Then later, the Sarvodaya scheme was launched, which was launched by the Bombay government for the constructive activities in the rural area. Then later, the 5-year plans was contributed by the government for the rural reconstruction. So many 5-year plans came. So in the first, second, and third 5-year plan, the most of the efforts were made to solve the major problems existing in the village, such as poverty, unemployment, and literacy. And later, in the subsequent 5-year plans, the supreme importance was given to the growth of the rural area, self reliance, removal of poverty, and the modernization of the rural area. And last, the community development programs has been launched. And these community development program, they brought about a recent changes in the rural area. And this scheme was undertaken by the government of India. Okay. So here, this program was mainly aims to improve the standard of living in the rural people, and it helps in reconstructing the rural India. And the major goal was this to bring about a social change in the rural areas. And this program, they have attained the goals, and they have made considerable success in the field of agriculture, education, employment, health services, communication, and sanitation in almost all the field. So in the last classes, we discussed about what are the major community development programs launched by the government of India. Okay, so this was the final program they launched for the rural reconstruction. Okay, so this all about the activities made so far for the rural reconstruction activities. Thank you.